Research no kare University wan sukmong na harimanya curriculum tong na ni nangai research karak shara Tripura University ni lo ajijak National Conference panda okok sana ni thangai abahai no kokshaka haste ni montri okra Dr. Manik Shaha Tripura University ni Research and Development Cell ni Saktharmung bai Higher Education te Research no to ye shal thamni bagai chengsawi rejaka National Conference panda jati ko tharma sungai panda no chengsawi reka haste ni montri okra Dr. Manik Shaha Manjakha Tripura Central University ni Vice Chancellor Gongka Prasad Prasain Research and Development Cell ni Chairperson Professional Badal Kumar Dotto Professional Shamol Das Organizing Secretary no khobai mothani kubun ozamaro haste te bhatar haste ni bebagai 300 representative manjak phaima ni koktama pandao koksana ni thangai haste ni montri okra Dr. Manik Shaha shaka Research no kare University wan sukmong na harimanya curriculum bo tongna ni nangai research hanai
laboratories of the future. And without research in universities, we cannot think of. Research must be in the curriculum, should be in the universities. And they incubate life, safety and security for the future citizens of the world through knowledge creation and knowledge dissemination. The Research and Innovation Cell of Tripura University, through the organization of the National Conference on the goals of higher education towards a transformative and sustainable society, has taken a commendable steps towards sensitizing students and scholars on the need to not just dream but make sustainable living a practical possibility. Our great nation, Bharat, has very successful, led by G20 summit, from the front under the able statesman of the Honorable Prime Minister Narendra Modi ji, who has risen to the stature of a global guru, offering his hand to less developed and economically compromised nation of like Africa, as already you know, to participate in the novel enterprise of creating the climate of one earth, one life. Recently, Sikkim suffered one of the worst cloud bursts affecting hundreds of tourists and residents of this northeast region. Devbhumi, Uttarakhand, Himachal Pradesh have been regular victims of the fury of Mother Nature on account of unchecked greed of men who are not ready to leave even an inch of space for our flora and fauna to flourish and thrive at peace in their natural habitats. The earth has no room for all. The earth has for this kind of natural disasters. Our education systems, our curriculum should be geared towards preservation of our ecosystem in all possible ways. Our students should be taught to the skilled enough to innovate and develop ways of sustainable living. The new education policy 2022 already talked about it, emphasizes on the enduring qualities of the great Indian knowledge tradition that had always prompted sustainable living at all times, in all our life practices, starting from our buildings and architectures to our agriculture, our food habits and knowledge distribution practice. It is not possible to retrieve all that is lost or outmoded, but it is definitely possible to revive the spirit of living through the understanding of the values of life enshrined in our ancient knowledge system.
Saktharmung Khlaijakha Higher Education te Research no to ye lu ajijak o seminar Raja Khorang aguli ni simi pranab ni kokthum Chini Khorang